Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen. Have you ever wondered which stones can be combined and which should be kept apart? In this video, we will explore some popular healing stones, their properties, and how to incorporate them effectively for your healing journey. Just like humans, crystals have their energies and personalities. Some stones work beautifully together, enhancing each other's properties, while others can clash and create imbalance. And some combinations can negate each other's benefits. So, understanding the properties of each stone is essential for creating a balanced energy field. Now let's discuss specific combinations to avoid. In this section, I will categorize the crystals into two groups. Those that might be combined and those that should not be combined. Here are some examples for those might be combined crystals depending on your sensitivity and intention. And also pay attention to how you feel when combining these stones and adjust the combinations based on your comfort level. Amethyst, clear quartz, and moonstone. Amethyst and clear quartz are both associated with the crown chakra, creating a high vibration energy when combined. Moonstone, known for its calming properties, adds a soothing element to the mix. However, wearing all three together can sometimes lead to an overwhelming effect, potentially causing overstimulation or confusion, particularly for the sensitive individuals. Citrine and amethyst. Citrine is known for its sunny, uplifting energy, while amethyst promotes spiritual awareness and tranquility. When worn together, their differing energies can sometimes create a conflicting effect and potentially diminishing the benefits of each stone. So the next, tiger eye and selenite. Tiger eye is protective and grounding, as you all know, while selenite is a high vibration stone that promotes clarity and spiritual awareness. Wear them together can create a clash in energies as their differing vibrations may not harmonize well. The next one, black tourmaline and moldavite. Black tourmaline offers protection from negative energies, while moldavite is known for its intense transformational energy. Wearing them together may create too much intensity for some individuals. When combining them, it's important to be mindful of your sensitivity and intentions. For me, though, they work exceptionally well and provide strong protection. You might often see me wearing black tourmaline, moldavite rings, or pendant. Now, what healing stones should not be combined at all? Let's check it out. The first one, red jasper, Nanhong agate, and blue lace agate. Red jasper and Nanhong agate are energizing and grounding healing stones, while blue lace agate offers soothing qualities. Combining these two groups can lead to conflicting energies. Second, black tourmaline and the obsidian varieties, including rainbow obsidian, golden obsidian, and silver obsidian. These stones should not be combined with emotional healing stones like rhodochrosite, strawberry quartz, and rose quartz. These stones have conflicting energies that may disrupt the emotional healing. The third combination, amethyst and gold pyrite. These two stones should separate due to their conflicting energies. While amethyst promotes calmness and spiritual awareness, gold pyrite's energy can drain the calming effect of amethyst over time. This combination may lead to imbalances, so avoid wearing or even place them together to preserve their individual properties and benefits. Now, the fourth combination should be kept apart. Golden rhodolite quartz, labradorite, and moonstone. Golden rhodolite quartz is quite dynamic and may not harmonize well with the softer energies of moonstone and labradorite. Combining these three stones could disrupt the tranquility and balance that moonstone and labradorite naturally provided. Okay, let's come to the last combination, which is Amazonite and Silgolite. Amazonite is known for being calming and balanced, helping to create a sense of peace and emotional stability. On the other hand, Silgolite is a strong stone linked to spiritual love and transformation, which can be more intense. While these two stones are used together, the different energies can clash, causing confusion or imbalance, and making it harder to feel their intended effect. On the flip side, let's explore some successful pairings that can enhance your experience. The first pair, amethyst and rose quartz. This combination promotes love and tranquility. Amethyst enhances spiritual growth, while rose quartz opens the heart to love. The second combination, black tourmaline and silgolite, offers powerful protection against negative energies while promoting emotional healing and spiritual growth, creating a harmonious balance that enhances grounding and uplifting energies in your life. And silgolite is a special stone that you can wear it on your left hand or your right hand. So this combination should be on your right hand. The third combination, aquamarine and rose quartz, which is my favorite. This combination promotes emotional healing and self-love while enhancing communication, creating a harmonious balance that fosters deeper connections and tranquility in relationships. The fourth combination, amethyst and clear quartz, which we mentioned it at the beginning. This combination enhances spiritual clarity and intuition while amplifying positive energies, making it an ideal pairing for meditation and emotional balance. The last best combination is citrine and green phantom quartz. Citrine brings abundance and positivity, while green phantom quartz symbolizes luck and opportunity. This duo encourages prosperity in all areas of life. Remember, healing stones that should not be combined don't necessarily mean they cannot be worn separately on each hand. The energy flow of left in and right out remains consistent, which means you can wear rose quartz on your left hand and obsidian or black tourmaline on your right hand. Alright, thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights of the magical world of crystals. And share your favorite combinations in the comments below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Wishing you all a joyful and fulfilling 2025. May this year bring you happiness, success, and endless blessings.